Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna share to you guys my Walgreens haul for this week, May 31st to June 6th of 2020. And for the second times, I experienced some problem in the deal in Walgreens, but the manager are very helpful and helped me with it. But before that, I'll show to you guys my art room. So I'm here now in my art room because my husband is working in our dining area. So these are some of my acrylic paints that I'm using. So it's hanging in the pegboard and I still have one pegboard to put in the side. And here are some of my acrylic pouring and waiting it to dry because I just varnished it like 2 days ago. And here are some of my acrylic supplies. I need to declutter. And in the side, I have 2 shelves of my haul. And I've been in couponing for almost 3 months. I'm just doing it every Sunday or once a week. And here are some also of my acrylic paintings that I just varnished. And in the right side, there are more paintings that need to be varnished, especially on the baking rack. So art is one of my hobby and I'm using it as a form of therapy, especially in my situation that I'm dealing with cancer. So now let's proceed to my haul. So first I got the Allspice. The Allspice is 2 for $10 and there is $2 rebate in Ibotta. And this one is included in the rebate. So in my note, it's 2 for $10. And then I used the $4 digital coupon in my Walgreens app. So my amount will be $6. And there is $4 reward or 4,000 points. And their Catalina machine is not printing, so they always give points. So my final cost will be $2 and I will get $4 Ibotta rebate. So a $2 money maker for the Allspice. And then I got also the Crest complete fluoride toothpaste because there is no Oral-B toothbrush or the Crest Pro Advanced toothpaste in the Walgreens. So I grabbed this one because I have $5 digital coupon. And even it's not a money maker, I want that product. So in my note, the Crest or Oral-B is buy 2 and you will get 4,000 points. And I grabbed the Crest Complete Multi-Benefit so that I can use the $5 off. So the 3 are $11.37 and I use the $5 digital coupon. So my out-of-pocket will be $6.37 and then got 4,000 points and my final cost is $2.37 or 79 each. So these are my note. But the problem is when I pay this product, if you can see it guys, the Allspice is marked as 3 or $6.49 each or 2 for $10. I only grabbed 2 and my receipt showed $15. So I wonder why it came like that. And also the Crest Complete it's $7.58. So in the receipt, after using the $4 digital coupon, my subtotal is $18.58 and 66 cents and the total are $19.24 and I reward $5 and my final cost in this receipt is $14.24, in which it's not supposed to be. And in my note, my subtotal should be $12.37 after using the $5 digital coupon for Crest and $4 for Allspice and redeeming 5,000 points or $5. My total amount will be $7.37. And my receipt, it's so different from my computation. But the manager is very helpful. I addressed the issue to her and she gave me back. First, she gave me a 10,000 points. So my closing balance after she gave me the 10,000 became 14,320 points. And then she gave me additional 3,000 points. That's why my closing balance became 17,320 points. So after paying $14.24 because of some error in the price of allspice, the manager gave me 13,000 points or $13 equivalent to the points. So my final cost now is $1.24. And because of the allspice is been priced for $15 equivalent for 3 allspice, the Ibotta now gave me $6 rebate on that I scanned yesterday. And I don't know if they will get the $2 extra on that. I will just wait because it's still on pending. So thank you so much to the manager of Walgreens for bringing and helping me out in this deal. And now let's go to my second transaction. So I used the 13,000 points in my second and third transaction because I don't have much points to use or reward. So in my second transaction, I grabbed the nice resealable storage. So it's on sale for buy one and get two free. So I pick up the 10.5 inches. And then I got also the Purex. So the Purex is 3 for 6. So I grabbed this scent. Then I got also the Palmolive liquid soap. So it's buy 2 and you will get 2,000 points. So the Palmolive liquid soap is $1.99 each. So the two are $3.98. So this is my receipt. So I grabbed 3 of nice resealable bag for $2.79. The Purex is 3 for 6. And then the Palmolive is $3.98 for 2. So my subtotal is $12.77. Then I got 77 tax. So the total are $13.54. And then I redeemed $10 or 10,000 points that the manager gave it to me because of the error in the first transaction. And then I paid $3.54. I just hand out the $5 cash. So in the lower part, so it's 63% savings value, and then I still have remaining 9,340 points. That's why I grabbed some Purex again. So I grabbed this fresh and clear scent. It's 3 for 6. And this one is the receipt. So the subtotal is $6 and I got 36 cents a tax. And then I redeem again the $5. So my out of pocket is $1.36 for my last transaction. So I got 6 Purex. I got 3 resealable bag. I got 2 Palmolive dish liquid. I got the Crest complete fluoride toothpaste. Then I got 2 allspice. And in my note, you can see this is the when I summary the receipt, that the allspice has been priced for $15. So I pay $14.24. But the manager gave me $13 or equivalent to 13,000 points. So after that, I less it, and my final out of pocket is $1.24. And then when I submit to Ibotta the receipt, I got $6. And the money maker is $4.74. I like making some note. So after those error, in the first, my out of pocket is $1.24. After deducting the 13,000 points or $13, the second is $1.54, and the third is $1.36. Final cost is $4.14. Submit to Ibotta. The receipt of the allspice, and I got $6. And the overall money maker is $1.86. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please be safe and have a blessed day.